If you've ever stared at your garden bed and wondered why nothing seems to grow well, chances are your soil is struggling. Dead soil, stripped of life and nutrients, and clay soil, dense and compacted, are two of the most stubborn soil problems gardeners face. They choke roots, hold water too tightly or repel it entirely, and block the vital airflow that plants need to thrive. But beneath this tough exterior lies an opportunity. With the right approach, even the most lifeless soil can be brought back to life. Using green manure plants is another traditional technique that deserves more attention. Plants such as clover, vetch, and buckwheat can rapidly cover your garden beds, fixing nitrogen, adding organic matter, and protecting soil from erosion. The often overlooked benefit is the role of their roots. These plants develop deep fibrous root systems that physically break up compacted soil layers, including clay hardpan. Their roots also secrete sugars and organic compounds that feed beneficial soil microbes, fungi, bacteria, and protozoa, jump-starting the biological life that dead soils lack. The best practice is to let these cover crops grow for a full season, then cut them down and leave the cuttings on the soil surface as mulch rather than tilling them under. The root system continues to decay underground, slowly improving soil structure and microbial activity. This approach mimics natural ecosystems and helps create living, fertile soil that supports healthy plants for years. Method 3 is all about using comfrey and fermented plant juice to nourish microbial life. Comfrey is, honestly, a remarkable plant that's often used by traditional gardeners as a soil healer. Its deep roots, tap into nutrients far below the surface and concentrate them in those large, mineral-rich leaves. One time-tested practice is to harvest comfrey leaves and use them to make fermented plant juice, or FPJ, which is a natural microbial stimulant. You simply chop the leaves, soak them in water for about a week, and let fermentation develop beneficial bacteria and fungi. Applying this nutrient-dense juice to your soil nourishes microbes, improves nutrient cycling, and really encourages soil life to flourish. Comfrey leaves can also be used as a mulch, breaking down quickly to feed worms and bacteria, further enhancing soil health. When combined with the other two methods, comfrey and its fermented juice act as a catalyst that speeds up soil regeneration, especially in clay and dead soils. The real power, honestly, lies in combining these three methods thoughtfully. Start with the cardboard and hugelkultur layering to soften and aerate the soil physically. Then, sow a mix of green manure cover crops and let them grow for months, protecting the soil and rebuilding biological life. Throughout the season, regularly, harvest comfrey leaves to make fermented plant juice and apply it to the beds. Use shredded comfrey leaves as mulch on top to feed soil organisms. This combined strategy gradually rebuilds soil structure, increases microbial diversity, improves drainage, and, honestly, nourishes plants naturally without synthetic inputs. It respects soil as a living system, not just dirt to be manipulated. In the quest for quick fixes, it's easy to overlook natural, patient methods that restore soil health deeply and sustainably. The truth is, soil is a complex ecosystem that can't be rushed without long-term consequences. These forgotten techniques revive soil life and structure in ways that chemical fertilizers and aggressive tillage simply cannot. By embracing cardboard layering, green manure crops, and comfrey feeding, gardeners reconnect with nature's rhythms and restore balance to their soil. The results are fertile, resilient soil beds that produce strong, healthy plants season after season. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe to Soil and Plant Doctor for more natural soil and plant care wisdom. And hey, share this with gardeners and farmers you know who battle tough soils. Help spread the knowledge that good soil health is within everyone's reach.